Hey you guys, it's Pam J coming to you with another video, and this video is going to be about how I straighten my hair using the Mielle Organics Mongongo oil line. All these products have the Mongongo oil in it, and Mongongo oil is great for heat protectant. So if you're trying to protect your hair and convert back to your curl pattern and not have to worry about damaging your hair by putting heat in it, definitely give this line a try. We have the shampoo, we have the conditioner, the hydrating conditioner, we have the pomade to oil treatment that we use, as well as one of the most important ones, which is the thermal and heat protectant spray. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I straighten my hair and how I achieve this nice silky straight hair, make sure you guys stay tuned to the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what's popping. Okay you guys, so I've already washed and conditioned my hair. I used the Mongongo oil exfoliating shampoo, and I followed up with the hydrating conditioner. Now this conditioner is protein free. Since I'm going to be putting heat on my hair, I need something that's going to protect my hair from the heat, as well as give it that silky, luxurious, soft feeling. So that's why we're going to be trying out the Mongongo oil, because it specifically helps protect your hair from heat. Now for the styling product, since we are going to be applying heat, I'm going to go in with the thermal and heat protectant spray. So I'm going to be spraying this on my hair first, because I'm going to blow dry my hair, and then I'm going to go in with straightening it. And also I'm going to apply a little bit of this pomade to oil treatment, which is like this. It's very like a thick, almost like Vaseline type texture. Like, that's the quickest way I can explain it. But once you rub it in your hands, once you rub it together, it does turn to an oil. This pomade oil is going to give it that nice shine, that boost, you know, that type of stuff. So we're going to be spraying this on the hair, and we're going to be blow drying our hair afterwards. Just going to spray some of that heat protectant throughout the hair. Now if you guys hear like rain and thunder in the back, it is raining outside, or raining over here where I'm at. So if you hear that, that's why. So we want to make sure we're protecting this hair. So we're going to just spray this all over. And then I do like to spray just a tad bit of hairspray in my hair as well. And this is the Sebastian shaper. I'm going to apply that pomade. So I'm just going to get a teeny tiny bit like that. And I'm going to go from from ends to work my way up to roots, because my roots tend to get oily really fast. So I want to just mainly focus that on my ends. Once we do that, we are ready to blow dry. Alright guys, whew. Now y'all see what I have to deal with. But now that I have my hair dry, we're gonna section it off so we can start the straightening process. When I straighten my hair, sometimes I trim the ends if it's too like straggly at the end. Basically when I start, I'll just take a little piece of my hair like so. I part it down, pin the rest of it back. Now we're just working with this section. Make sure it's combed out. Now when I straighten my hair, I like to do chase method. So when you do the chase method, You can use either like a brush or a comb or whatever you want to use. Ever me, I use this little comb right here. I start at the roots of my hair. Grab my flat iron. Now the one I'm using is just basic cheese. So I pass it to my roots and I just go down with it. Slow as you can. And like I said, I like to trim my ends. So just snip, snip. Y'all can see the hair is already silky. Look at this silk. To keep some of this hair out the way, I just tie a ponytail holder. So I'm gonna finish my hair. I'm gonna speed up the process so you guys can see. So I don't want to bore you. I love this collection because it leaves your hair silky soft. Like my hair is so silky and soft. So this is the final look of my hair straightened using the Mongongo oil Mielle line. So as you guys can see, my hair is straight, it's silky. If only you could touch it, it's really soft. My hair have a lot of body in it. It's not like heavy, it doesn't weigh my hair down. I used the entire line. The only thing I didn't use was the pre-shampoo. So yeah, if you guys have any questions or comments, make sure you leave them down below. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you'll be notified when I upload another video. As well as make sure you guys use my code. If you go on mielleorganics.com and shop these products, you can use my code Pamela, Pamela, and it's going to give you 15% off your entire purchase. So yeah, you guys, I hope you guys like this video. Until next time, I will see you guys later.